Seeing all the consistent losses from all sort of indicators, finally you are here to know what is price action trading. Welcome to Bangalore Trader YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain what is price action trading. It is one word answer. It is trading with a pure price action chart without any indicators. I'll give an example. So this is the same three candles. You can see this, right? This is the same three candles with all sort of indicators. There is volume, there is EMA 20, EMA 8 and pivot points, etc, etc, etc. And here this is the pure price action chart. Which you prefer? I prefer the pure price action trading chart because all these indicators, as I told you in the last video, all these indicators are the derivatives of this pure price action chart. The price movement will first happen here and then there. So this is the pure price action trading.